Pfizer sending a chill across the vaccine space after it cut guidance over waning demand for COVID treatments and vaccines. But the stock had quite a reversal on news of a multi-billion-dollar cost-cutting plan. Meantime, Pfizer's partner BioNTech sinking after flagging similar concerns, and Moderna closing sharply lower as well. Let's bring in BMO Capital Markets analyst Evan Seigerman. Evan, this reminds me of the inventory problems that we've seen in semiconductors, lawn furniture, so many different areas as the economy normalizes post-pandemic. So is this the kitchen sink moment, though, for the companies that you cover, where investors should consider, hey, they've normalized, they're cutting costs, now's the time to get in?
I think there's a lot going on with Pfizer at this point. This was kind of the rip the Band-Aid off moment. We knew from the second quarter that, there could be some uncertainty around the COVID business and they could do some cost cuts, and now they just executed on it. I think what pushed it over the edge was the renegotiation of the government contract for Paxlovid. And let's face it, I think COVID is in a very different place than it was 3 years ago, and even in 2021 when we all got vaccinated. We're in a different new normal moving beyond this, and that's what's being reflected with this update from Pfizer.
Yeah, BioNTech, Moderna, Novavax as well. These are companies that the COVID vaccines are their only approved products.
Right.
What does Pfizer, though, have in the pipeline? And as it's cutting costs right now, where is it going to invest?
I think what's key is the closing of the Pfizer Seagen transaction. This is the $48 billion deal to acquire Seagen, getting them really accelerating their oncology footprint. That's what I'm most focused on. I'm also very interested to see what they do with danuglipron, which is their oral GLP-1. We love to talk obesity. We could talk obesity all day, every day. This is a twice daily, not as competitive with the Lilly asset, but if they reformulate that, could be a key player in that market.
Speaking of areas that have gotten perhaps overhyped, how are you modeling out this GLP-1 effect? Because it's not just affecting the companies that have them, these weight loss drugs, but the whole health space. So is there some kind of weird dislocation taking place that we're going to be recovering from, similar to what's happening with the vaccines now?
That's a great question. I think a few things. One, we're still in the early days when it comes to obesity. Lilly's Mounjaro, tirzepatide, isn't yet approved in obesity, so we need to see what that launch looks like. I'm really interested to see how the payers pay for these, and so how managed care reacts, for example. And I've heard rumblings from my other colleagues who cover other sectors, impacts in consumer, eating less sugary foods. So that could play out down the line. But still, I want to refocus and say that these drugs are for patients who have serious, who are seriously obese and need real medical intervention. That's where I get to this large market, and that's what I'm most focused on when it comes to things like Lilly, for example.
Okay, so quickly, if you had to buy one stock right now in your coverage universe, what is it?
Structured Therapeutics. So it's a small cap biotech. They have an oral GLP-1. I frame them as the closest to Lilly's orforglipron. There's a lot of interest in the oral GLP-1 space. They had some good data a couple of weeks ago showing on par weight loss to what Lilly had shown with orforglipron. They have more data coming later this year and more data in obesity coming next year.